Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the first 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what's there for Pisces. Okay, the Three of Swords, the Fool, okay, the Page of Swords, Empress, the Five of Swords, the Five of Wands. Okay. The Five of Pentacles, the Tower, okay. And the Ace of Pentacles, okay. Ace of Swords, the Six of Cups, the Knight of Swords, High Priestess and the Hangman, the Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what are the messages from this deck for Pisces. The Death and the Rebirth card, Four of Spades, the Queen of Clubs, and the Nine of Diamonds. Okay, felt like taking this one. Two of Clubs, guidance from the angels for Pisces. Review and contemplation. Okay. Okay, Pisces. So definitely you are or you were dealing with something which has really broken your heart. So dealing with a heartbreak and trying to begin a new chapter of your life, trying to overcome that pain. That is your basic agenda over here. That is what you actually want. You are dealing with a heartbreak over here with the Three of Swords. You want to move ahead and you are trying hard, though the steps may be slow, but yes, that is what you actually want. You really want to heal this agony in your heart. You want to move ahead in your life. Okay, leaving behind this past which really has been very, very painful, very hurting, and very agonizing for you. Okay, so that is what you want, and you are taking small steps towards that or in that direction. And here we have the Empress. So definitely you are manifesting that new beginning. You are coming back in your control. You are becoming attractive, confident, and in your own power, self-sufficient. You are feeling abundant. You are feeling happy about yourself. You are crowning yourself with what you actually wanted. Okay, so you are feeling good and feeling empowered over here. Okay, with the Five of Swords, the Five of Wands, following it, and then here we have the Five of Pentacles and the Tower. So what I feel here is, this talks about what you were dealing with actually. What was the cause of the heartbreak over here is, there had been some sort of argument, maybe off and on arguments between both of you. I think this, obviously if there is a fight, there's an argument, there are two people there. So there has been some situation in which there were lots of fights and arguments going on, but one of them was a little bigger than the normal ones. Okay, and that was the one in which, though these were small arguments, small fights, they were going on, or things were just not happening, things were, you were not coming to terms with the situation, whatever was happening. Okay, but nobody was leaving. Okay, but here there was something which really escalated, and it became major. Okay, and the way it happened was that you felt really hurt about it. With the Five of Pentacles and the Tower following it, it was like things were just not happening and you knew it. Maybe you were trying to convince the other person trying to convince you. Lots of disagreements were there. Okay, and arguments, disagreements were there. Oh, okay, but one thing was a major instance, something important, something major, or this one of the fight escalated, or something really happened in which you really had to leave. Okay, or the other person had to leave, which led to the leaving part. Okay, here nobody is leaving, here you have to leave the situation, somebody has to leave over here, you or them. Somebody is leaving over here because here they are feeling very ignored, very rejected, and they feel very bad about the situation, and it came unexpectedly with the Tower. Okay, this situation came very unexpectedly because you were not expecting that this thing will escalate so much that you will have to leave. So somebody is leaving here. Okay, somebody is leaving here, somebody is really feeling hurt, ignored, insulted, whatever you call it, but somebody is really feeling hurt, they have to leave the situation, they were not expecting this will happen, and somebody has to leave here, and that is unexpected. Okay, and following it we have the Ace of Pentacles also. One more thing I am getting, that is for sure that this something escalated over here and person has to leave. Though I am saying this fight was unexpected, one more thing which I am getting is maybe this Ace of Pentacles and this Ace of Swords energy which is coming up is unexpected. So that can be a positive tower. So if it can be that is this fight, though, because I don't see, it can be that when there are so many arguments and disagreements, one of them escalates that you have to leave, that much was not expected, it can be there. But when you know that things are not happening, then at some point in time and at your subconscious level, you know that any fight can escalate also. So I really don't feel that may be that much of a Tower, though it may be. But another vibe which I am getting is, so what to me the Tower talks about this side also and to this side also, honestly speaking. Okay, so maybe the fight was unexpected, or maybe this new beginning is unexpected, because I'm saying this again because we have the Six of Cups here. So this is a clarity coming up, new opportunity, a new beginning, which is giving a lot of stability also, and that clarity is perhaps coming up to someone. And here we have the Six of Cups, which is a reconciliation card. So maybe this is something unexpected, that is what you are not planning or not waiting for, because you have left over here. Here you've left, you really are not expecting any sort of reconciliation. So maybe this event is unexpected, but definitely something is unexpected over here. The fight was unexpected, or the reconciliation is unexpected, whatever it is. But anyway, still reconciliation is happening over here. Whatever it is, reconciliation is happening over here, and the new beginning is coming up, because here we have the Knight of Swords, somebody moving in very passionately towards you, and they just want to rush in. At least that is what they want to do. They really want to rush in towards you. Okay, so there is a reconciliation, or maybe that is what you want. It is also there, it is coming up, and maybe this is the energy that you really want a new beginning. Though you have left the situation, but you want to reconcile also. It can be that also. Either it is a reconciliation coming in, or that is what you want. Okay, so it can be that also. And you really want to move, rush in towards that person. Maybe that is what you want, or that is actually happening. It can be anything. Here with the Hangman, the Nine of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. So what I feel here is, one thing which I am getting here is, this was a situation which was hanging or stuck since a long time. No action was being taken. Somebody was being, this situation itself, somebody is being very, very intuitive perhaps. This person has taken the time off. Maybe there was a break in this relationship for some time. After that, this reconciliation happens. It can be that also. Because this is a situation in which somebody has really taken a break with the Hangman and the Nine of Pentacles. Somebody was focusing on themselves and the High Priestess. So all these three cards talk about inaction to me. No action was being taken either in the past or in that situation. It has been lingering since a long time, and now an unexpected reconciliation comes up and somebody rushes in towards you. Somebody, yes, definitely there has been a situation which was hanging since a long time, totally stuck. Somebody being very, very intuitive about it, trying to take a decision, but no action was being taken. Somebody is healing themselves, spending their time alone, taking a break from this relationship perhaps. And here we have the Ace of Swords and Ace of Pentacles, this and this. So what I feel is, it is definitely talking about a reconciliation, definitely, or action being taken in a situation to reconcile. And maybe this was pending since a long time. It can be that also. So maybe this was the argument and the fight which was happening over here is, maybe you were looking in for a commitment or trying to convince the other person, and that person wasn't convinced, and you had to leave that person then. It can be that also. So maybe this was the fight and the argument about that. Maybe you were trying to convince the other person for the relationship. It can be that, and when the other person didn't agree to it or didn't show any signs of opening up or something like that, it came as a heartbreak. It can be that also. But definitely there is some sort of reconciliation coming in a situation which is pending since long. Maybe that is unexpected. It will be different. Let's see how it shapes up for you, and do mention that in the comment section. And here we have, in this deck, we have the Death and the Rebirth card. This is the Queen of Clubs, which is talking about a lot of strength. Things are ending, new things are beginning. Again, looking back at the situation, learning from whatever life has taught you in the past, learning from the past mistakes, trying to amend the things. So again, it is talking about the past. Maybe now you talk about it and you just try to amend the situation. So looking at the past, and here with the Two of Clubs over here. So this is a passionate relationship. Definitely there are two people involved here. Both of them are sort of lovers. They are in a relationship. Maybe there was some sort of an argument over here. I don't see this is passion. It can be a rekindling passion also after this reconciliation, but it can also talk about a verbal or a heated argument which happened, because of which this situation died down at that time. Okay, so definitely something has ended over here at least once, and you are wanting this reconciliation, or this reconciliation is happening, but this situation is on hold since a long time. Guidance from the angels, number 20 or number 2 may be of some significance for you. Review and contemplation. You have accomplished a great deal in your life and you have much to be proud of. Now it's time to decide what next. As you contemplate the past and the present, you will get clear on your divine life purpose. Don't be distracted by the conventional thinking. Be the real you. So this is the time to review and contemplate. So that is also talking to some extent about, if it is a reconciliation, then obviously you need to review and contemplate as to what to do, what not to do. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.